if you want to whiten or brighten your skin with your Nivea body lotion or your other regular body lotion, come closer. I have a secret for you. It's not going to give you green veins. It's not going to leave your skin looking red. It's not going to give you stretch mark. It's not going to give your skin any form of skin reaction. All right.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, Edith Francis. If this is your first time of coming across this face, please don't let it be your last. Do you know that you can actually whiten your skin with that Nivea body lotion you have in your house, or your regular body lotion like your Vaseline or any other kind of body lotion at home? Now, when I mean whitening your skin, this secret is not going to give you green veins. It's not going to leave your skin looking red. It's not going to give you stretch mark. It's not going to give your skin any form of skin reaction. All right, it's only going to give you that whitening, glowing skin you desire. Now, the first thing that you are going to be needing to make this a body lotion whitening or brightening is an oil. Now, you can either use your regular oil or a plant oil. All right, now because you're using it for your body, you're going to use an oil that is suitable if you are also going to apply it on your face. All right, you will need an oil that is suitable for both your body and your face. All right, you have to get an oil that doesn't clog the skin pore, that is not going to break you out, because of course, you know, your face and your body might not be having the same skin type. So you have to use an oil that is suitable for your face and body. Now, how can you discover this oil that's suitable for your face and body? I'm going to be giving you some oils for your natural oils, that's your regular oils, and your plant oil. All right, now even when I give you these oils, what you're going to do, you can go and search that. If you don't know if it is going to be suitable for your face or not, you can go online and just search, is so and so oil good for the face? Is it good for a sensitive face? You know, all of that. Just search. Okay, now the oils I'm going to be talking about, your natural oil or your regular oils I'm talking about, it could be either your wheat goat oil, your palmer cocoa butter oil, your Vaseline body oil, and all of that. Now, your plant oil I'm talking about is rosehip oil, jojoba oil. Now, when making use of this oil, like I will always tell you when trying out the new product, pay attention to your skin. Now we've gotten our oil. The next thing that you are going to be needing is a serum. Now, which serum are we talking about? Calm down. The serum we are going to be making use of is Army Whitening Serum. That is the serum we are going to be making use of. Now, why are we making use of Army Whitening Serum? Is because this very particular serum mixes very well into any oil you put it in. All right, it's going to mix, it's not going to separate itself. All right, you wouldn't need a mixer to mix it. Just mix it into it and shake it, and it's going to mix very well into whatever oil you add it in. All right, so that's why we are using Army Whitening oil, and this oil is going to help you. You're not going to have stretch mark, you're not going to have green vein, you're not going to have a red skin. It will give you this flawless white glowing skin you desire. Now, how do we make use of this Army Whitening Serum and your oil? For example, if you are making 100 ml of oil, all right, you are going to take 70 ml from your rosehip oil or your any other kind of oil. You are going to take 70 ml, put it inside a bottle. Then you take your Army Whitening oil, 30 ml. Note, the Army Whitening Serum comes in 30 ml, so you don't need to start thinking of how to measure it. The Army Whitening Serum comes in 30 ml. Now, your oil might not come in 30 ml, your oil might come in a bigger form. All right, so you have to take 70 ml from that your oil. You take your Army Whitening Serum, turn everything into your 70 ml of oil, and you shake it properly. All right, you shake it properly. Now, if you want it to be very effective, like faster, you want it to work faster, you can make your oil 60 ml and use your Army Whitening Serum 40 ml. That is the balance of 100 ml. That is if you want to see your results faster, like sooner. You get me? If the one of 70 ml stroke 30 ml is supposed to work in 1 week and you make it 60 to 40, you can see results in 4 days. Do you understand me? Good. So that's what I'm talking about. And note, because I'm saying you can adjust the measurement if you want to see it work faster, doesn't mean you should just make your army whitening serum more. Okay, your oil should be your base. Now any product that is your base is to have the largest quantity. Do you understand me? It should be your largest quantity. So your oil is your base. So no matter what you're trying to maneuver, your oil is supposed to be your base, not your serum, not the other way around. All right. Now after you've mixed it, now this pro mixing I'm telling you is very, very effective. Even those pro mixers, they know what I'm talking about. They might not even tell you. Say that might be what all those your pro mixers vendor are doing, and you see your skin looking flawless without breathing or stretch mark. Now after you've mixed this oil, you keep it aside. Now you come with your Nivea, this, or you can make use of this, or you can make use of any of the Nivea. I'm going to be putting the pictures of various Nivea body lotion we have, or any other kind of body lotions that you know is just a neutral body lotion. All right, mind you, don't use a whitening cream with this oil I've just taught you how to mix. Don't try it, you will damage your skin, because you cannot use whitening versus whitening. No, you have to use it with your normal regular body lotion that doesn't whiten the skin. Do you get me? I hope I am making sense. Now after you're out from your bathroom, you take your Nivea body lotion or any kind of body lotion you have. After you apply it on your body, massage it properly into your body, then you go in with the oil I just taught you now, this oil and serum that you've mixed. Then you apply it on your palm and apply it on your body. You layer it on top of your body moisturizer. All right, and when you do this repeatedly, you're going to see your skin, it will move from a brightening skin to a whitening skin. Now if you are someone that don't want to whiten your skin, you just want to brighten your skin, okay, when this oil brightens your skin to an extent you want it to be, please stop it. If you don't want it to whiten your skin, do you understand? If you don't want it to whiten your skin and it has brightened you up to a certain level you love, stop it. If you are someone that wants to whiten your skin, you want to look white, just continue using it till you get to your desired complexion. Thank you very much. If you watched this video to this extent, I really appreciate you. Please make sure this will not be the last time you come across this face. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know about your thoughts. Like this video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on your bell notification so you can get notified whenever we drop a new video. See you next time on this same channel. Bye.